beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos, and I post videos 1 to 2 times a week and sometimes more. If you are liking my videos and if you wish to see more, then make sure to subscribe. So in today's video I will be unboxing my March Bellabox. So what is Bellabox? Bellabox is a monthly subscription box and I think it's available only in Australia and New Zealand. So it's a subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products, and I've got no idea. Okay, I got some idea of what I got in this month's box, but I'm not sure. So it came in the mail yesterday, so I thought of sharing with you guys. Like always, I share my subscription box with you guys, what I got and if I like the product or not, and also I use these products in my makeup tutorial videos, and if I like it I share my review with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what I got in March Bellabox. The box looks like this. It's just a blue box. So okay, it's all sealed. Let's open and see. Okay, it says runway ready March 2019. And at the back it has all the products details and where you can get it from. So the first product here is Bang Beauty brow cream, and I saw this I think in Bellabox YouTube channel. I saw this and also on their website. It's by Bang Beauty. The packet is so glossy. I love it. Ingredients are at the back. Okay, first thing, as I opened this box, this brush came out. This is the brush, applicator brush. So let's see the actual product. It's dark brown brow cream. So before sending this box, they sent an email out to everyone who has subscribed to this box to choose a color, which color you want for your brows. So I chose this dark brown. I don't know, I've got lots of brow gels, but it's dark brown like this, and I don't know whether I will be using this or not. Let's swatch first. Okay, it's really creamy and I think I will be using this just because it's will definitely match my brow. So it's always handy to have an extra product in your collection. So yeah, this is cool. And let's see the price. It's $22, available at bangbeautyofficial.com. So it's nothing new, it's just a normal brow gel. I won't be buying this Bang Beauty's brow gel. Like I got plenty here in Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, so I will go in my local pharmacy to get eyebrow gel. I won't be buying online and paying USD $22, which will be like more in Australian dollars. So I won't be buying this, but I got in Bellabox, so I will use it, and if I like it I will let you guys know. So if you guys are from other part of the world, like mostly my subscribers are from US, so yeah, it's good for you guys to go and get it if you like it. But this product is really good, and dark brown matches my brows really well too. So this was the first product, and the second product is Aqua di Ginocchio I don't know what is this product. And it says here, I've got no idea how to pronounce this. Okay, it's just a perfume, I think. Toiletty, yeah, it says scent. It's like this. At the back it looks like this. And it's just a sample. So tiny. I don't like the smell. I think it's men's. Smells like some of the men's products. I've got no idea. I have to give it to my husband then. So this product is a sample. Not happy. So it retails for $119, available at David Jones and Maya. So the next product is this Palmolive sanitizer, lemon and white citrus. So this is just a hand sanitizer, which is very handy, and I will be using this. So this is a good product. Palmolive products are really good. I have used their shampoos and conditioners and I love it. So yeah, this is a good product, and it retails for $3.69, 48 ml. 48 ml retails for $3.69. It's not expensive, it's really cheap. So it's available in Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and I think in other places like supermarkets too. So it's a hand sanitizer, so it's really good and really handy. We need it always in our home. So the next product is this Skin Vitals 2-step active cloth mask treatments. So it says here, introducing an instant beauty fix. The innovative 2-step technology offers intensive salon results at home. Each mask consists of a first step anti-aging serum booster. So this product has serum booster, and it's 2-step active brightening cloth mask treatment. It's really good. I'm really happy about this product that I got in this month's box. So this product retails for $12, available at skinvitalsmask.com or lookfantastic2.com.au. Okay, the next product is this Toni and Guy hair accessories. So this is some hair accessories, thick elastic and bobby pins combo. So this is by Toni and Guy, and I think it's a elastic and bobby pins. I think so. You guys know what it looks like. So I don't need to open. I think it's just a elastic and bobby pin inside. And bobby pin combo is $7. So this both is $7. I think it's a combo, which is good. It's okay. I don't mind. So the last thing is this Palmolive Oil Infusions Body Moisturizer. So I have used this before and I really like it. So it's a good sample here only, and I didn't like much of this month's box, but I really like the mask, and their brow gel is okay too, but I really don't think I would go and buy all these things for myself. Like, I will definitely buy this one if I like it, and like this mask, I really like masks, so I will be buying this one if I like it. And this hand sanitizer, I have got lots in my home, so I am using this, and like I got this one as a sample, but I am using it, so it's okay. I have bought this before and I like it, so I will continue buying this Palmolive hand sanitizer, and this mask I will definitely be buying. But this Bang Beauty, like, I won't be buying this brow gel, but I will definitely be trying it and letting you guys know if I like it or not. But this has a lots of product in it, and I think this one is a full-size product. Yes, it is a full-size product, and it's $22. So it's really good. I got a one full-size product, and I think this one is a full-size too. Like, it's a full-size. Yeah, definitely it's a full-size. So literally I will try this, but I love using like a pencil for my brows, that Morphe brow pencil, which I love it so much. Like, I will literally buy that product again and again. This one I will try and see if I like it or not, like, so you guys can get it if you are from the other side of the world, and if you can get this product in your country. So, but I won't be buying it. I will try, but won't be buying it. So it is this simple. I am honest with you guys. I'm not going to tell you guys that I will go and buy that product. No, never. I won't be buying it. But this mask I will definitely try. If I like it, I will buy it, just because I've got lots of masks which I like it. And I will leave the link of the Bellabox website below in the description box. And there is also a discount. If you are subscribing for the first time, you will get a 10% or 5% discount. And literally when I started, I only paid like $9 or less than $9 for the first month. And literally Bellabox are so good. Like, their service is so good. It comes directly to your doors, and somehow your box gets lost, they will definitely send you a new one. So it's really good. Literally their service is so good. I like it. And when you email them, they reply your email so quickly, which I love it. Like, mostly if I send an email to some websites and I don't get a reply on time, it makes me like mad. I get mad so quickly. But Bellabox replied so quickly, which is so good. And literally they are so good. And this match box is okay, but for me, I won't be buying some of these products again. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you wish to see my future videos. And also join me on all social media sites. All the links will be below in the description box. And I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.